Wominjeka, you rip roaring Bondsview mobile legends. Uncle Jojo here, grouse to see you all again. I believe strongly that everyone should be empowered to build and create for themselves. At Beowulf Builders, we make videos that are used by almost everyone, from home handy people to carpenters and builders, or teachers and students. And really basically anybody out there that wants to learn about green sustainable living and building. We've covered many topics on our YouTube channel, and we want to bring you even more content that's really well put together and in depth. But this takes time and uses precious resources. We cover different topics like timber and forestry. There's not many people that understand the combination of using timbers on site and the direct link to sustainable and ethical forestry. We also want our tradespeople and our homeowner builders to understand financing and scheduling so we get the best end result. This is on top of everything green building is sustainable. We aim to create better homes for everyone so that we have a better future, a brighter future and a healthier future for our children and our grandchildren's children. By subscribing to our Patreon channel, you'll be helping us create the best in-depth content on building, forestry, sustainability and green living. These kind of things you won't be able to find anywhere else, and we've got lots of interviews and lots of people to talk to, as well as different materials and different building methods to be looking at. Thank you so much, team, for being part of my journey. Really, absolutely love the support and all the backing I'm getting. For the last 7 years we've been bringing some great content, and we've got so much more to bring you. Like always, stay unreal, banana peels. I'll see you in the soup.